Hi everybody, this is Nancy, one of your crocheting friends. Recently, within the last week or so, I decided I wanted to do a baby blanket with words on it, but I didn't have any set pattern in mind or any set words, and I said, I don't know how to do this. So first of all, I learned the bobble stitch, which is really great for making words on a blanket. I learned using a video from the Crochet Crowd on YouTube, and then I said I need to make my own words. So I googled around a bit and I found this nice, easy, free website. I'm going to show you my process. There may be an easier way to do it, but this one I like because it's pretty simple and it's free. So first I found this website. It's called Coricamo.com, and then you come to this page and you go to the one and you click on the one that says Generate Text. And then you come over here, you have two tabs, Text and Color. Well, I want it to be black on white so it's easy to see. So I just choose DMC colors because I know that the DMC color for black is 310. So it's easy for me to find. My little list here, there we go. And then I go over here and then I do whatever word I want to do. So here I do peaceful. You can do uppercase, lowercase, it'll match whatever you want. The only thing I do is I change the size and I make it a little smaller, so it's only one bobble thick instead of two bobbles thick, although for some of you, for some words, you may want to make it two bobbles thick, but I'm going with the easier one here. And you can do italic, underline, bolded if you wanted to. You can really play around with this, choose a different font. For purposes of demonstration, I'm just going to keep it very simple. And then you click OK. And there you go. It's super duper easy. It's marked out here so you know exactly how many stitches it is. The only issue that you would have is when you're doing the bobble stitch, the actual bobble pops out on the back side of your work. And if you try and use your pattern as it is here, it's going to end up being backwards. So what I did is I have this little snip tool, it's called Snip actually, on my computer. And what I did is I click on that and then I just capture this image. Once I've captured it, I save it. And I just save it as a JPEG just because that's my habit. Save it to my desktop just because it's easy to find. You know, once you get organized, you can start saving it wherever you want on your computer to help you. So here it is. I have this thing which is the peaceful word. But as it is now, I need to flip it. So what I do with it is I just right click on it and then I select Open With, and I tell it Open with Paint. Paint is a free program that's usually pre-installed on your computer, which is, all this stuff is very easy to find and it's all free, and that's wonderful for me. And then you just tell it you need to rotate by flipping horizontally. And then there you go, you have it. Then I save it and it will save the flipped version. So this is the word peaceful set up as it needs to be for me to crochet a panel for a blanket. And obviously I can, you know, crochet extra rows of single crochet under the letter P if I want more room, which I probably do, and up top, and that sort of thing, and side to side. When you're doing the bobble stitch, if you'll see according to the directions, you're going to do a row of single crochet and then you'll work back and then do the row here that has the bobble on it, and then every time to get back over here, because you're always going to work on the bobbles from this side, you're just going to do a row of single crochet. So you'll crochet over, bobble, 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 and then you'll come back and you're not doing this line. You're just doing a single crochet to get back over here. Pretty self-explanatory. If you're not sure what to do, go to the Crochet Crowd and look for bobble stitch or popcorn stitch, and Mikey will show you how to do it. That's it. I hope it helps some of you guys when you're working on projects. And now I'm going to go put some dinner on the table. Bye-bye.